Hello guys, so today we will learn about the evolution of computers. Like human evolution, first Stone Age was there, then Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age, then Neolithic Age, and now it is modern age. Similarly, in the history of computers, there are 5 generations of computer. In mobile phones, earliest mobile phone was simple mobile phone, bulky, with only calling feature. Gradually, more features were added in the upcoming phones. Every new model of phone has better features than the previous one. Similarly, there are the evolutions of computer. 5 generations of computers are there. Each of the 5 generations of computer is characterized by major technological development and fundamentally change the way computers operate. So, in the first generation of computer, this time period was from 1940 to 1956. Hardware characteristics of first generation computer are most commonly used devices are vacuum tube, magnetic drums for memory, input or punched card, and paper tape for output on printouts. And the software characteristics were machine language was used. It was used for solving only one problem at a time and was mostly used in scientific applications. Other main features of first generation were bulky in size, highly unreliable, limited commercial use and were very costly, and obviously very difficult to operate also. The first generation computer examples are UNIVAC and ENIAC. Then starts second generation for the time period from 1956 to 1963. The devices hardware characteristic of second generation computer were device used was transistor, magnetic core memory, magnetic tapes, disk for secondary storage. Software characteristics of second generation were batch processing system, assembly language was used, high-level programming languages were developed, and scientific and commercial applications were done in second generation computer. Other features were faster than first generation, smaller in size as compared to first generation, and easier to program than previous generation. So then started third generation computer for the time period 1964 to 1971. Now the transistor was replaced by integrated circuit. The hardware characteristics were ICs with small scale integration and MSI technologies, larger magnetic core memory, larger capacity disk and magnetic tapes, mini computer, upward compatible family computers were invented in third generation. Software characteristics of third generation were time sharing operating system, standardization of high-level programming languages, and the other features were faster, smaller, more reliable, easier and cheaper to produce as compared to previous generations. Commercially easier to use and easier to upgrade than previous generation. Scientific, commercial and interactive online applications were done with third generation of computers. Then started fourth generation computer from the time period of 1972 to 2010. The hardware characteristics were microprocessor, semiconductor memory, larger capacity hard disk as in built-in secondary storage, personal computers, supercomputer based on multiprocessing technologies, spread of high-speed computer network, larger capacity main memory hard disk, optical disk as portable read-only storage media, and the software characteristics were GUI based operating system, multiprocessing operating system, object oriented design and programming, network based and supercomputing applications, parallel programming, Java, World Wide Web were invented in 4th generation. Other features of this generation were small, affordable, reliable, and easy to use PCs. General purpose machines, easier to produce commercially, easier to upgrade, rapid software development possible, portable computers, powerful, cheaper, reliable, and easier to use desktop machines, powerful supercomputers, and rapid software development was possible with 4th generation of computer. Then comes 5th generation of computer, present and beyond. And artificial intelligence was introduced in 5th generation of computers. Hardware characteristics are superconductors, powerful servers, supercomputers, interspace, cluster compounding. Software characteristics are natural language input. Other features of 5th generation computer are voice recognition, capable of learning, and self-organization. Artificial intelligence has been introduced in 5th generation of computers. So guys, this was all about computer history, evolution of computers. Thank you so much.